What's up, everybody? So we're doing another, I'm basing my makeup on a random song on my phone, and now that I know that I actually have to have it playing before it goes to the next song, we're good. So continuing off from where we left off, this was the last look for Whom the Bell Tolls by Metallica. So let's just hit play. And then the next one is Show Me. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar for this look. And I've already done my face. I haven't picked up blush yet. Oi! Jeez. Sorry about that. First my camera dies, and then my headphones die. So I'm going to be using these wired headphones because it's the only other ones that I have right now. I don't remember what brand they are. They're not the best, to be honest, but it'll work for this video. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with that Color Workshop eyeshadow primer and apply that all over my lid up to my brow bone and a little underneath as well. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to apply Butter Pecan, which is this one right here, under my brow bone. I was wondering when I would have a song that wasn't like metal or rock pop up, and it was this one. Wonder what the next one would be the next time I do this. So now I'm going to go in with this brush. That's in the way now, my phone. So I'm going to take caramel, however you want to say it, which is this one right here, and apply that all over my lid. Nice bronze color. And now I'm going to take the same brush and use Cocoa Chili, which is this one right here. Just put it on the very tip. And right on the outer corner. And on the inner corner. Darken this a little bit more right there. So I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with Nougat, which is this one right here. and put that in my crease. I actually don't want this to be super dark because it doesn't go with the song. And I'm gonna go in with this and use peanut butter, which is this one right here. And right there. This brush and blueberry swirl, which is that blue, just on the very top of it. And put that right underneath it here. And now I'm going to take a clean, big fluffy brush and do that to lighten it up. I don't know if you can tell the difference. This one's a little bit lighter now. So now we're done with the eyeshadow. I am going to use the Hard Candy Walk the Line liquid liner. This one is waterproof and this color is Asphalt. Now, if you're not good at doing liquid liners, you could definitely do this in small little strokes. Once as close to the lash line as possible. So that's liquid liner. Now I'm going to use the Colossal Volume Express by Maybelline. I don't think this one is waterproof. And now onto my waterline. I'm going to use the Always Sharp Kohl Liner in Raven by Smashbox. back to the palette. I'm taking this fluffy brush, which is a blusher brush, and I'm going to use Pink Sugar, which is this one right here. I'm going to use that for my blush tonight. A little on the tip of my nose. Okay, now I'm going to use, what color is this? Enchantress, number 365 by CoverGirl. It's a bright pink, but I'm going to be using a lip gloss to hopefully tone it down a little bit. It's not too bad. Actually, I'm gonna go back in with Pink Sprinkles with this brush. Or I'm sorry, Pink Sugar. There we go. Okay, so this is the look. It's much lighter than what I normally do, obviously, but it's not bad. I actually kind of like it, so I may do this look again at some point in the future. You know what, I see a couple black dots. If you get a little bit, like right here, like I can see I've got one right there and right there. Spoolie brush after it's dried. And twist it. Don't swipe. And that'll also work if you get some up here too. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram, which I will link those both down below.